Anytime people talk about the best Mexican restaurants on the Las Vegas Strip, Javier's is always in that conversation. So let's go try it and see if it's really that good. They very quickly brought us out some chips and salsa. It's a giant basket of chips. And I did order a drink. So they had a wide variety of margarita choices. So I asked our waitress what the favorites were. There was one that was made with guava, and then this one is called the Organica. I decided to get this one so it wouldn't be quite so sweet. It's not sweet. It is like a sour margarita with that salt on the rim. It kind of tastes like one of those, you don't taste the alcohol too strongly. You can probably drink a lot of these and get in trouble. All right, I want to try these chips and salsa out. The salsa looks like a tomato blend, not too chunky. There's a good amount of cilantro in there. Ooh, it is spicy. It kind of hits afterwards, but it's a good mix of everything in here. I love all the cilantro in there, and you do taste the garlic. So if you're not a garlic person, this is gonna really hit home because it is pretty strong. The ambiance in here is really cool. So it's a little dark, kind of romantic. They actually have real candles in here on each table. They kind of change the music, so they've been playing some modern music and then they'll switch it to Mexican music. But just the decorations in here are really cool. They have this tree that has tequila bottles all over it. This wall that looks like kind of like crushed up skulls up against it. And then they have this private room that reminds me of like a Spanish hacienda, like where rich people live. I really want to go and sit in that room and have a big dinner there. It looks so amazing. I ordered el trio de enchiladas del mar. So it's basically mariscos or seafood enchiladas. One has shrimp, one has crab, and the other has lobster. And this was $52. So let's see which is which and how it all tastes. If I can pick it out here. Actually, it didn't come with any sides, so that's kind of surprising. This looked like it's either going to be the lobster or the crab. Let's see. So they all seem to have like a salsa verde, but different a little bit. The salsa's got a really good flavor, just a little bit of the kick. Let me see. Yeah, I think this is the lobster. Oh, it's good. Really good. This has a little bit of a different color to it as far as the salsa is concerned. Now, it looks like this is going to be the crab. The salsa is less spicy, but oh, so good. That's the crab. Really good, and the salsa is not as spicy, but it has like an amazing flavor. I just want to take another little taste because I don't know how to describe it. It's very rich. It's a very rich sauce to it. All right, so this is the shrimp. The sauce on this looks the same as the lobster one does. Well, let's see. It might be a little different. This one's super tangy, spicy, but tangy. Let me just, one more bite. They are really good. We also got mole poblano. So if you're not familiar with mole, mole can have over 20 ingredients in here. Obviously it starts with some chile poblano, but it can have different things depending on the region, like nuts or chocolate. And these are like chicken legs that are covered in this mole sauce. You can see some sesame seeds in here. And it came with a side of rice. And it did come with your choice of tortillas. I do want to just grab a tortilla. I'm just gonna take a piece of it because I want to just have a little bit of the flavor of the tortilla with this. Probando. Gracias. Okay. Let's see. There's a hint of sweetness in here. A little bit of spice. Not too spicy though. It's good mole. So, you know, Enrique's mom makes the best mole. I mean, clearly, but this is good. Taste the rice. There's nothing like good rice mixed with mole. It's actually good. The rice is really good. Mixed in with the mole sauce. The tortilla didn't feel like it's like homemade or anything, but overall, this is a really good dish. Now this is $42. There are 7 locations of Javier, so 5 of them are in Southern California. They have the one here in Las Vegas, and they have one in Los Cabos. Now the food here is not kind of your traditional Mexican food, and you're going to get a little bit of a sticker shock if you're coming in here thinking that you're going to pay the prices of a regular Mexican restaurant. So they have ingredients here that you just don't find at a lot of Mexican restaurants. They have some with lobster, they have filet mignon, they have a New York cut steak, and you will expect to pay for your entrees in the mid-30 range up to about $80 for a nice steak dinner. So we didn't think it was appropriate to come here and not try some refried beans. You know, when I come to Mexican restaurants, I kind of judge the restaurant by the way that their beans taste. And so since neither of our dishes came with that, I ordered a side of beans. This was $6. Oh, they have some cotija cheese sprinkled on top. And you can get these refried beans or just the like whole beans, de la olla. Let's see. Oh yeah, these are good. These are good beans. And they taste like fried. I don't know how to describe it, but you kind of taste like the oil cooked into it. Would it be amazing too? Still have some tortilla left from our mole. Make a little taco. These are really good. So we are stuffed. I cleaned my plate, Enrique cleaned his plate, but we had to try the flan. Now this is $14, and it has a little bit of the caramel sauce dripping over, some fruit on top. Now flan is like a vanilla custard, but it is baked. So let's see. Ooh. I don't know what's in here, but this is so good. Oh my God. There's some ingredient in here. Maybe it's the caramel sauce on top, or maybe it's just the way that it's cooked. And these are cold, but it has been baked and then chilled. Oh my God. It's like, this is one of the best flans, honestly. So, I mean, just closing this out, we had an absolutely amazing meal. And I think that this place, even though it can be a little bit pricey, this could be an amazing place if you have something to celebrate, some like an anniversary, a birthday. If you're celebrating something, I think that Javier's would be a great place to come. Spend the extra money. You're going to get high quality food here. It is delicious. It is actually authentic, more authentic than you might think it is. And if you come, make sure to get the flan. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.